Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you some strategies to help you get more followers on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Let's follow these steps together. Step 1 is to optimize your profile. First, make sure your photo is attractive and complete. To do so, let's go to Profile in Instagram and we click on the icon here. Then we add a profile photo. You can choose whether you import it from Facebook or add a new profile picture from the gallery. Next step is to write a catchy bio and include links to your social platform. Just click on edit profile and you can edit all this together. You can write a bio. You can write something catchy to draw the attention. The second step is to post consistently. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Try posting at least once or twice a day and experiment with different content formats like stories and IGTV and especially Reels. Third step is to engage with others. Engagement is key. Like and comment and follow others in your niche to build relationships. The more active you are, the more visibility your account gets. The fourth step is to use hashtags. Using the right hashtags can help new users discover your content. Try using a mix of popular and niche hashtags in your posts. And that's it. With these tips, you'll be on your way to gaining more followers. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like for more Instagram growth tips. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.